Imagine this for a second. You wake up one morning and realize money no longer controls your decisions. You're not anxious about bills, not stressed about emergencies, not trapped in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. You choose how you live, not your bank balance. Financial freedom isn't reserved for the lucky, the rich, or the overly talented. It's built quietly, consistently, by people who follow a few timeless principles and stick with them long enough for compounding to do its magic. Here are 7 powerful money principles that don't just improve your finances, they transform your mindset, habits, and future. Start with number 1. Set clear financial goals. Vague dreams create weak results. Most people say they want to be rich or financially free, but that's not a goal. That's a wish. A real financial goal is specific, measurable, and emotional. Instead of saying, I want more money, say, I want a $100,000 emergency fund in 24 months. I want passive income that covers my monthly rent. I want to retire without depending on my children. When your goals are clear, your daily decisions become easier. You know when to spend, when to save, and when to say no. Goals act like a financial compass that keep you moving forward even when motivation fades. Write your goals down, review them weekly, adjust them when life changes, but never live without them. Next, number 2, spend less than you earn, the rule that separates freedom from stress. This principle sounds simple, yet it's where most people fail. Financial stress isn't caused by low income alone, it's caused by lifestyle inflation. As income rises, spending rises even faster. New gadgets, better clothes, frequent eating out, subscriptions you barely use, it all adds up silently. Spending less than you earn creates margin. Margin creates breathing room. Breathing room creates power. You don't need extreme frugality, you need intentional spending. Ask yourself, does this purchase improve my life long term? Is this convenience worth delaying my financial goals? Money saved today is freedom earned tomorrow. Number 3, build an emergency fund, your financial shock absorber. Life is unpredictable. Jobs end, cars break down, medical bills appear without warning. Without an emergency fund, every surprise becomes a crisis, and crises force bad financial decisions like high-interest loans or credit card debt. An emergency fund gives you control under pressure. Start small if needed. Even 1 month of expenses is powerful. Over time, build it to 3 to 6 months of living costs. Keep it liquid and boring. This money is not for investing or spending. When chaos hits, you'll thank your past self for choosing stability over impulse. Number 4, invest for the future, because saving alone is not enough. Saving protects your money. Investing multiplies it. Inflation quietly steals the value of cash sitting idle. Investing is how you fight back. Whether it's stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or long-term index funds, the key is starting early and staying consistent. You don't need to be an expert. You need patience and discipline. Time is your greatest advantage. Compounding rewards those who wait. Small monthly investments made consistently often outperform large one-time decisions fueled by emotion. The goal isn't quick money, it's sustainable growth. Number 5, diversify your income. One stream is one risk. Relying on a single income source is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. Jobs can disappear. Industries can change. Technology evolves fast. That's why financially secure people build multiple income streams, not overnight, but intentionally. This could mean freelancing or consulting, online businesses or content creation, investments that generate passive income, skills that can be monetized globally. Diversification doesn't mean doing everything at once. It means not putting your entire future in one basket. Extra income accelerates savings, reduces fear, and creates options. Here we go with number 6. Manage debt wisely. Not all debt is equal. Debt is a tool. Used wisely, it can help you grow. Used carelessly, it can trap you for decades. High-interest consumer debt is financial poison. It drains your income, limits your choices, and steals peace of mind. Paying it down should be a priority. At the same time, strategic debt, used for education, business, or assets that generate income, can be leveraged responsibly. The key question is always the same. Is this debt helping me build the future I want or delaying it? Be honest with yourself. Numbers don't lie. Finally, number 7, continuously learn. Your mind is your greatest asset. Financial habits don't change by accident. They change through awareness and learning. The world of finance evolves constantly. New tools, new opportunities, new risks. The people who thrive are the ones who keep learning about money, behavior, psychology, and systems. Read books, listen to podcasts, study successful people, learn from mistakes, especially your own. Financial freedom is not a destination, it's a skill set, and skills compound just like money. Freedom is built one decision at a time. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be rich today. You just need to start. Every smart choice you make, no matter how small, moves you closer to a life where money works for you, not against you. Financial freedom isn't about luxury. It's about peace. It's about options. It's about waking up without fear. And it starts with the decisions you make today. So hit that like and subscribe button for the next Wealthy Flow strategy. Thank you.